5 smart steps before buying a property. Planning to buy a property? Wait, watch this first. Here are 5 important steps you should take before making a decision. Number 1, know your budget. Make sure the monthly amortization is something you can comfortably afford. Long term, your home should be blessing, not a burden. Number 2, choose the right location. A house can be renovated, but you can change its location. Check accessibility, flood-free areas, and near schools, malls, workplace. Number 3, understand the payment terms. Be clear about the reservation fee, down payment, and financing option, such as bank loan or pag-ibig fund. Number 4, verify the developer or agent. Ensure the developer and agent are legitimate and licensed to protect your investment. Number 5, think long-term. Real estate is not an expense. It's an asset. Property value typically increase over time. If you need guidance in buying your property first, send me a message. Let's make your dream home reality. Please follow and share for next vlog. Thank you and God bless.